You are not gonna believe this lightning. Oh! Guys, stay back. Guys, I got this little wax warmer melter thing from H-E-B, and isn't it so pretty in the kitchen? It's so perfect. I mean, it's like off-brand. It's not like a fancy Scentsy line, but it's so perfect and pretty, and it works so well. And then I found this brand at Kroger's, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. The house smells amazing. This vanilla pumpkin cream smells really good. I would actually love to buy more Scentsy, but the problem is, like, I don't have anyone in my real life near me that sells it, so I can never smell. And I'm kind of particular, so I like to know what it smells like before I buy it. But then I just got this one. This one smells so good. It smells like winter to me. It just smells like winter, so I'm not burning it yet, but oh, I just really loved it. So as usual, this is that rain stuff that Chris was talking about in the vlog the other day. So today I'm hoping to get my fall stuff out. Ooh, you hear that thunder? I wanted to go to Home Goods and buy the new lampshades for these. But I don't know if I'm gonna get out and all this, and I need to edit. Kyle's going away next week, so I've got to get all that done anyway. But I wanted to have it done so that I could put out my fall stuff and like know where I want it. But, you know, it is what it is. Wow, it just started pouring. Like audibly pouring. So, because, let me just show you guys this. This is right now, although we're already, and then like this is all this stuff that's coming. All that red. So, that's fun. My camera's fogging up because it's humid. You can never see rain. It's hard to see rain really good on camera. You can hear it. Nice, kind of a relaxing sound. Sorry, buddy, did you need to potty? He's like, not now. I tried taking you out like twice a little while ago and you wouldn't go, so. We were supposed to have a garage sale today and finally get rid of some of this excess stuff. And look at the rain. Nope, didn't happen. Now Kyle's stuck in the car. He just went to run an errand. The baby's asleep, so I think he's gonna wait it out. Alright, I told the kids they could have iPad time after lunch, and I just found them sitting over here. They're supposed to do iPad time upstairs, and Grayson told me they were scared because it keeps thundering, doesn't it, guys?
It was thundering loud.
It was thundering loud.
It was getting scary.
Well.
And also I pranked Audrey a little bit.
You pranked Audrey.
Listen, so when it did a loud thunder, it was like Audrey was like, oh, a thunder, and then I was like, go to the shelter, go to the shelter, and then I said, come back, come back.
Oh. I don't know if you should joke around about that stuff. Do you guys want to put your iPads away and go upstairs and play? Build something?
Mm-mm.
You just want to stay down here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Oh. It's just not gonna let up. Hey honey, I'm waving at him. You good? It's just pouring. He doesn't even see me. The umbrella? We are having some intense thunder lightning. Kyle gave up. He's like, I didn't want to sit out in this anymore. Look at this. Look at the flooding. Jeezy crazy. Oh, I don't know if I got the camera on in time for that one. Kyle was like, go film this, it's great. Oh my Lord. I was not expecting, oh, I hope that came up on camera. That was crazy. That, oh my God, where's Kyle? That's, okay. Kyle Michael Hale, come see this. You are not gonna believe this lightning. Oh!
Oh, I can believe it. I see it right there.
Guys, stay back. Also, Kyle, are you seeing old?
It's a good thing we don't have a big large.
Are you seeing old?
Sitting right in our backyard.
Oh shoot, that stupid trampoline. Kyle, are you seeing? Okay, okay. Are you seeing old load? I can't even talk. Are you seeing old low dippy cloud over here?
Yeah.
I don't like him.
Going inside.
Inside, everybody. Go inside. Go inside. Oh my gosh. Guys, don't fake scream. Good Lord. Okay. Hey guys, so I had a shower. My hair's like, you okay? You'll come outside with Mama? Hi. She's gonna end up going to bed a little later because she took about a 45-minute nap on me. And it's 7:30 now, so normally she'd be going to bed in half an hour to an hour, but it won't affect her too much. It never does. That's the good thing. Where's that baby going? He's being silly. I wanted to go show him outside. The light already changed. I was trying to show you guys before it got a little darker. It actually looked pink outside. It was really cool. It probably wouldn't have showed up on camera anyway, but I was gonna try. It still looks really neat outside. It's got a cool glow. Hi. You say hi. She had an outfit change because right when I was about to walk outside, she spit up. Kyle fed her this gross donut earlier. Like, why would you feed the baby a donut? Anyway, and she's been spitting up ever since. I don't think it's set right in her tummy. Anyway, I don't think her tummy's just not used to like food like that, and he gave her like literally like not the whole donut, but like half a donut, and it was big, so How did you know I had the camera on you? She keeps standing up and walking on it by herself. I'm eating ice and she is like sharing with me. No, you can't have the cold cup. Here. You're a stinker. Yeah, it's gonna melt in your hand. There you go. Mmm. Oh, you dancing? Mmm.
Yeah.
Good. Well, at least I got a little. Alright, so earlier, one of the times when we lost power today, our microwave like tripped and was not working, and neither was our dishwasher, and we had to reset it. No big deal. Like, that's what's supposed to happen, is the breakers trip to protect your house when you have like surges or whatever. But our microwave is off again. So now we're like, oh no, I hope something didn't go wrong. It's not on.
What's not on?
It didn't turn back on, honey. Oh, great. Oh.
Oh, it just doesn't have the clock set.
Oh. Never mind, y'all. It's on. That's weird that it went black. We didn't reset the clock when we reconnected the power to it. And so the screen, the faceplate was black, but we assumed it would like flash or something.
Yeah, this could be like our
I mean, that's what our old microwave did and the oven does when the clock needs to be reset. It just flashes until you do it. This one, it went black. There's like no display. Well, that's good. That's a better alternative. You guys can't see me very well because it's very dark, but I hear the little ones talking. So I'm gonna go tuck them in and tell them they want to sleep together. They can, since more storms are coming in. We could see wicked lightning from our back window, but the thunder was really delayed, so it's far away. There are two little kids in here. If you guys want to sleep together,
That's
what?
my daddy and this is me. Yeah.
Well, listen. If you guys want to sleep together, why don't you go sleep in the bigger bed, Grayson's bed or Sophie's bed? You could sleep together, but since since this is only a twin bed, you guys would be a lot more comfortable in Grayson's bed.
And also, I'm wondering, so I was getting like a little scared.
I understand. Let's sleep together. That's a good idea tonight.
Mommy, can you sleep with us?
Oh, no, honey, I'm sorry. I can't. I have to be there because if the baby wakes up, I gotta take care of her.
Okay.
But you know what? Once the baby gets moved to her room, one night, we can all sleep together in my bed. Especially if Daddy's out of town, okay? Do you guys want this nightlight, or are you okay without it?
When we don't need it,
Do you guys want your iPads? Alright, I'm letting them have their iPads.
While your iPad charges, we can switch turns. Mom, isn't nice to switch turns when Grace is at bed?
Yes.
When we were playing a game, while we were doing our playtime, I completely forgot about bedtime, so we kept playing, but once when Audrey yawned, it gave the thought of bedtime back to me, so I'm like, oh, it's time to go. I was actually looking at us. It was on accident, because I completely forgot about the bedtime.
Well, that was okay though, but since it is Saturday, I heard you guys playing and I was okay with that. Alright, I'll holler up at you guys when it's time to put them away, okay?
Where is
Sweet dreams. I love you. Good night.